Once again, welcome in Pharma Guide. Today, we are going to discuss about observed tablet defect during manufacturing of tablets. Some of defect I just get narrated down in this slide. Some of defect are reported like sticking, picking, lamination, capping, splitting, ease erosion, excessive flushing, discoloration of tablet, dark specks, scorched belly band, chipping, double impression on tablet, thickness or weight variation, twinning of tablet, etc. First is sticking and peaking. Generally, the sticking and peaking defect are observed at compression stage due to punch face condition issue or the environmental condition issue or the higher moisture content in granulation. The remedies that we can inspect the punch or replace the punches to avoid sticking or picking issue. Also, we can retry the material. We can check the environmental condition of that area. Lamination and capping and splitting and again come under the same category of issue. Sometimes for lamination, air entrapment during a compression run can be the major issue that lead to lamination. So by reduction in the pre-compression force, we can eliminate the lamination issue. Same like for capping issue, the air entrapment is a major issue that we observe during compression run. So obviously at time of compression, we have to reduce the pre-compression as well as main compression force. Splitting, sometime over compression or poor granulation that can result in the splitting. So to avoid that splitting issue, same the compression pressure play a major role for splitting issue. To overcome splitting issue in tablet during compression run, we have to reduce the pre as well as main compression force. The age erosion, the defect that observed during compression run. Generally, this type of defect is observed due to uneven distribution of granules in die bores. Also, low moisture content also responsible for age erosion. As part of remedy, we can minimize the field depth. We can ensure the raw material quality. Also, we can ensure the setting of scraper. The misalignment of scraper can also lead to haze erosion. Excessive flushing or collar. This defect is generally observed due to uh, the 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 punches worn punches issues during compression run. So we have to, as part of remedies, we have to replace that punches to overcome that color formation or excessive flushing. Discoloration, the defect, this discoloration, some of the molecule which are sensitive to light or pressure that result in discoloration upon some condition like excessive pressure or the poor tablet design. So by reduction in main compression force or by taking some extra care to avoid oxidation, we can diminish the discoloration type of effect during tablet manufacturing. Dark spec like defect are observed during compression run due to improper lubrication type on upper punch. If the punch tip get worn, that may also result in uh, dark spec. Uh, to avoid such type of defect, we have to clean more frequently the die punch, or we can replace the die punch to overcome dark spec issue. Scotch belly issue, same like dark spec. The excessive ejection force may be the one of the reason for a Scotch belly bend. So to overcome Scotch belly issue, we can minimize the filling depth, or we can replace the die to overcome the Scotch belly issue. Another defect that is a chipping issue. If the punch tip get worn, that can be result into chipping of tablet, or poor tooling design also may be the reason behind the chipping issue. So replacement of the punches, or these inspection of turret for excessive guide wear may can result in the overcoming this chipping issue. Double impression, generally it is observed in embossed or debossed tablet, where the punch get freely rotated. Sometimes punch are not properly fitted, so the punches are in free rotation mode, either upper or lower punch. So at time of pre-compression or main compression, or at time of ejection, the double impression like defect are observed on tablets. So we can fix the uh, uh, punches by addition of the keys or breaks, thickness or weight variation, inconsistent lower punch plight height, or uh, if suppose filling, there is a improper filling of the granules in die fill. So filling depth variation can result into the weight variation, that may be due to the improper setting of scraper. So we can replace the lower punch retainer, or uh, uh, we can set the scraper that can reduce the recirculation of the powder, um, or we can adjust the feeder speed so the powder distribution can be done evenly on turret. So this type of corrective action may be resulted in avoidation of such type of defect like thickness variation or width variation. Tuning defect generally observed at stage of coating stage, where sometimes tablet having a flat surface. If the spray rate is too fast, or pan speed is too slow, or droplet size is too large, or and with that point, if suppose temperature also found as too low, that can result in twinning type of defect. So for that we can redesign the tablet shape instead of flat surface, and we can adjust the coating parameter as like we can reduce the spray rate of the droplet suspension or solution, or we can increase the span speed, or we can reduce the droplet size by changing the degree of atomization, or we can increase the temperature. So dear friends, that's it for some of the defects which are reported at time of tablet manufacturing. We will meet again with next video with another topic. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.